let's talk about exactly what it is that makes an A-frame great and why you might want to consider buying one for yourself. True to its name, the A-frame home is A-shaped and features a number of very distinctive characteristics. These include very high ceilings, open floor pans, and large windows in order to prevent the space from becoming dark and pokey. Now, many of these design features were developed in order to ensure that living in an A-frame home wasn't A, impossible, and B, wildly uncomfortable. However, over the years, many A-frame home designers have kind of taken a little bit of creativity in order to adapt the A-frame home to a more modern lifestyle. Some A-frame owners have built up around that traditional A-shaped frame, adding some more traditional style buildings that can serve as bedrooms, living areas, anything else you really want, while also maintaining that distinctive A-frame look. Other home builders have taken liberties with the A-frame design itself, extending it, bending it, and creating what some refer to as a pregnant A-frame that sees the walls of the home kind of bowing out in order to give a little bit more space and a little bit more flexibility with what you can do with different levels inside the home. A-frame homes rose to popularity during World War II when they were used traditionally as vacation homes by many Americans. And today, you'll most commonly find them in wooded areas where they have been built as cabins, most often as secondary residences for families or as short-term rentals. However, you will find A-frame homes all across the US, which means that if you're on the lookout for one, you're sure to be able to find at least one example near your chosen neighborhood. The only question is, will you be brave enough to buy one? Either way, make sure you head on over to Realtor.com in order to check out a number of A-frame listings and a whole other load of other home styles.